To transfer money from Trust Wallet to Revolut, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, go to the Receive section and copy the wallet address associated with the selected cryptocurrency. Then, open the Revolut app and navigate to the Accounts section, where you will find the crypto option. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Deposit button. In the Deposit window, select the External Wallet option and paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Please note that you may need to pay a small transaction fee, which will be deducted from your balance. Once you have confirmed the transaction, wait for the transfer to be processed and the funds to be credited to your Revolut account. This may take a few minutes, depending on the blockchain network and the transaction volume. It is essential to ensure that you are using the correct wallet address and that the recipient address is correct to avoid any potential issues with the transfer. Additionally, always check the transaction fees and the exchange rates before initiating the transfer to get the best value for your money. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily transfer money from Trust Wallet to Revolut and enjoy the benefits of using both platforms for your financial needs. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your accounts and transactions safe by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication.